Well, hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Scionti from the Scionti Prostate Center. Today I want to tell you about some very exciting news about Medicare coverage for TULSA Pro prostate treatment. As you know, TULSA Pro is a revolutionary treatment for prostate enlargement and for prostate cancer. It allows for MRI-guided precision ablation of the prostate. This is an incredibly precise procedure that uses real-time MRI imaging to direct ultrasound energy from the inside of the prostate outwards. I can treat as much or as little of the prostate as necessary, and we're using TULSA Pro at our center for both prostate cancer and for significant prostate enlargement or benign prostate hyperplasia or BPH. So today there's some exciting news I want to share with you, in that there is a CPT code now, Common Procedural Terminology Code, for TULSA Pro. That code is 55882. Now that numeric code tells Medicare as well as other insurers exactly what the procedure is, and for Medicare patients the exciting news is that code is now recognized by Medicare and will provide for reimbursement for some of the costs of a TULSA Pro procedure. At our center, we've now expanded our program for Medicare patients to include the ability to do TULSA Pro in a hospital setting, outpatient hospital setting. And that is a brand new center we're using called Medicare Wesley Chapel Medical Center. Now at this center, this is a state-of-the-art MRI facility that's dedicated to be able to deliver treatment within the MRI suite. From a reimbursement standpoint, this is really important because Medicare will cover the facility costs, the hospital costs for that procedure if we perform it at the Medicare Wesley Chapel Medical Center. So for our Medicare patients now, and this is who I want to speak to, our Medicare patients, we can expect that the hospital or facility costs for TULSA Pro treatment will be covered at Medicare Wesley Chapel when I'm performing this procedure. Now, as you know, the Scionti Prostate Center is a concierge, personalized treatment program, and so some of the cost that is payable for the surgeon's fee, for the Scionti Prostate Center fees, are not covered by Medicare, as our center does not participate in the Medicare program. But a significant portion of costs will be covered, and that's the procedural costs and the anesthesia costs at the medical center. So great news for our Medicare patients. Now, for our commercial patients, that is our Blue Cross, our Cigna, United Healthcare, commercial insurance patients, there still is a lot of uncertainty about reimbursement. In fact, some of the Medicare Advantage plans are still behind a bit and still have not recognized the code. So for patients who have no defined coverage, we'll check benefits at our center and see if there's any possibility of coverage, but still there are some significant out-of-pocket costs for our commercial non-Medicare patients. So really this is great news. Our program is just kicked off at the Medicare Center, and now that offers our Medicare patients a significant coverage possibility for their treatment. So please, to find out if you're a candidate for TULSA Pro treatment, contact the Scionti Prostate Center. We'll review your case. I'll personally look at MRI images, review your biopsy information, and we'll have a discussion about whether you're a good candidate for TULSA Pro treatment. And if you are, we'll let you know exactly what you can expect for coverage. But for our Medicare patients, great news I'm sharing with you today. So call our center for more information.